going to be a bit of a virtual tour because it's raining. It's very slippery and muddy. So I'm not going to talk much because the birdies are enjoying the rain. Needed it. And you can hear them all chirping away. So I'll start here at the budgie aviary. Budgies and lovebirds. This is massive. Forget the dimensions, it's huge. But I'm not going to go in. And here next to the ladder, we're just extending this area for the mandarin ducks who have got some friends, Africorp cocks. These guys come from America, and 2 of them came to live with us last week. Absolutely beautiful, but obviously we need a much bigger space, so this whole area is going to be extended. So should be finished in a couple of days. Okay, so from right where you see that little hut thing over there, about 5 meters away from there down, is the start of the budgie aviary. You won't see the top of it. There we go. There's the top of it. We have double doors to prevent escapees. And then we've got a couple of brown heads up here. But let me not talk. Let me rather show you and you can just enjoy. You'll hear the cockatoos. This is our budgies and our lovebirds who live here. We have a couple of little singing quails as well. We have a few special needs budgies that came into this little one. Once they are able to fly, they will be put into the big aviary. Yeah, special needs birds. Some of these babies come in at night. This is fairly long. That's all herbs that we planted and lemongrass that we planted along the side. Hello, hello, hello Peppa. Niger, I love you. I love you too. Come here. I love you too. I love you too. Come here.